I always sit. The front row of the classroom. I always sit at the front row of the classroom. We went to the beach. The weekend. We went to the beach on the weekend. The cat is hiding. The bed. The cat is hiding under the bed. My birthday is April. My birthday is in April. The book is the desk. The book is on the desk. The car is parked. The garage. The car is parked in the garage. There is a picture. The wall. There is a picture on the wall. We usually have dinner. 6 o'clock. We usually have dinner at 6 o'clock. The movie starts 8 p.m. The movie starts at 8 p.m. The cat is sitting. The roof. The cat is sitting on the roof. The picture frame is hanging. The wall. The picture frame is hanging on the wall. I am going to meet my friends. The park. I am going to meet my friends at the park. The milk is the fridge. The milk is in the fridge. The flowers are the vase. The flowers are in the vase. I'm going to visit my grandparents. The weekend. I'm going to visit my grandparents on the weekend. The bird is flying. The sky. The bird is flying on the sky. She sat the table to eat her breakfast. She sat at the table to eat her breakfast. The spider is the ceiling. The spider is on the ceiling. The birthday cake is the table. The birthday cake is on the table. We always have a family dinner. Christmas. We always have a family dinner in Christmas. She is walking the street. She is walking on the street. The bird is sitting the branch. The bird is sitting on the branch. The dog is sleeping the rug. The dog is sleeping on the rug. The sun is shining the sky. The sun is shining in the sky. The computer is the desk. The computer is on the desk. We went to a concert Saturday night. We went to a concert on Saturday night. The clock is the wall. The clock is on the wall. She was standing the corner waiting for the bus. She was standing at the corner waiting for the bus. I found my keys. My backpack. I found my keys in my backpack. The dog is chasing its tail the yard. The dog is chasing its tail on the yard.